Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to fix Samsung camera flash not working problem. So let's see, follow my whole step. First go to your settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Then click on search bar. Camera. Click on camera. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Now back. Click on permissions. Now you can see enable all permissions. Now back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Then back. Now normally your phone reset. Now restart your phone. Then after restart, open your phone. Now go to your camera. Now see this problem solved. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.